you go. Create your free account. When you have an account, you can sign in. You just have to, this is my work email. So next, you can sign up with email, or you can sign up with Google. You can sign in. So now you're going to put in your name and your background and what are you building the app for. So your full name. Now adding your background, you can pick an option from any of this. You can just say order. Type in the app for personal project, for example. Tell us more about yourself. Let's say I'm a freelancer, so you can continue. Because you fill in the right information. Okay, waiting. Let's say just one more thing at once, and it's not like letting me. Okay. So what's it waiting for? Okay, so this seems to be a problem. After the name, okay, let us know where. Okay, here. Let me just say YouTube. This was a problem. Then click on continue.